So what's up guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope all are fine. Okay, let's start the today's video that will be about more command. So more is basically like less. Okay, so it's not totally like 90% similar to a less command, but it is like more like it is like a less command. So like it is basically what page that allows you to view text files one screen at a time. Okay, it will display in a one screen at a time. Okay, um, let's start using this. I'll use exit.txt and it will display it is showing that more 86%. 86% is nothing but the file contained 100%. So if it is displaying 86%, there is 14% remaining that you need to see. If I go down, it will just disappear, because it will just show that in a book format on the one page per screen format. Then after displaying the 100%, it will disappear. That means it will come back from the executor terminal like that. Okay, so that is what the use of more command. And let's say you need to move to the next screen, you need to use spacebar, that will move. And if you need to move one line, then you need to use enter, that will move one line. Then if you need to move backwards one line, then you need to use Y, I guess. Y does not work in more. And if you need to move backwards one screen, you need to use B. Yeah, in that less command it was a Y, then in this it is B. If you need to quit, then you can press Q. Okay, the next we'll go for the next argument. Okay, let's say that you have the two files. Okay, you need to display the two files also. Okay, text file and text file. It will also help to display the content of file 1 and file 2. Okay, now what I'm doing, I'm pressing enter and going down. The percentage of also will be increasing. If I need to go back, I need to press B. Okay, that is what the use of multiple files in more command. Okay, let's say that you need to view the fifth line in the particular file, exit.txt. Okay, as I showed you in the less command, the catch if you can is the fifth line. You can also use this +5 in less, also in more also, both will work. Okay, if you need to go down, you need to press enter, that will complete the percentage. Then it will go out of the terminal, that will be to the main dollar symbol terminal. Okay, let's go for the okay, like as I said you before, more command is to display content in one file, one page per like page to page like that. Does it do more than that? So you can do one more thing, that is you can use exit.txt and you can redirect into some other file. Okay, redirect.txt. Let's do ls. You will find redirect. Let me cat it. Redirect. Yeah, the content is present in the redirect.txt. One more thing is that you can use help to need any help, that if you're not familiar with using this more command. And you can use version also to check the version, and it is not showing the person who has written this particular code for a more command. Yeah, that is what up guys, and thank you for watching.